As a beginner, you're posting your videos on your Facebook page and you are not getting views and you are worried. There are things that you need to do which you are not doing, which is your posting time. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the best time for you to post your videos and get views and also get your engagement. Realize that we all have different time zone. You know, in Africa, you have your time zone. In America, you have your time zone. So when you are seeing this video, understand that you need to post your videos according to your time zone. Before, when you check your Facebook Insights, you will see a space where you will know the best time for you to post your videos. But the recent update, those metrics has been removed. So all you need to do now is posting your videos according to the time that I'm about to give to you. So if you are ready, let's dive in. Posting time number 1 is 7 to 8 p.m. Realize that posting from 7 to 8 p.m. is the time people are waking up. When they wake up, the first thing they do is to grab their phones and look at what is happening. At that particular time, when you post your videos, there's every tendency that your video will kickstart and you start having views. Posting time number 2 is from 11 to 12 p.m. A lot of companies and government parastatal do have break at that particular time, and most people will take their phones also and they'll start scrolling. And when you post at that time, there's every tendency for you to go viral. Posting time number 3 is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now, when you post at that time, there's every tendency for you to go viral. And again, is when you post at that time, a lot of people are coming back from work, and when they're in the car or in the bus, maybe there's traffic, they can also pick up their phone and they will start scrolling on their Facebook page. And at that time, when you post your videos, there's every tendency for you to go viral, and those are the times that people are engaging. Okay, posting time number 4 is from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. And another thing you need to understand is most of the time people want to see what is happening before they go to bed. So when you post at that time, there's every tendency for you to go viral. Note that you need to post your videos on this time that I have mentioned. When you keep consistent in it, in the next 1 month, you will see the evidence of what I am talking about. So posting at this time will elevate your views from hundreds to thousands and from thousands to millions. If you love this video, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.